Hi friends, welcome back to a new unboxing of this new device that I have brought by Banggood. This is the ACCNIC T3 cigarette lighter with free socket. I have just received it and the box is quite damaged. So let's check. Voltage monitor, smart protection. Let's just open it and check what we get in this. As you can see, the box is quite damaged. So first of all, you get the user manual, then you get the socket, you have a plastic on it. Let's just plug in and check it if it works. Okay, perfect. This is a voltage monitor and inside it is blue lighted. You have two USB port and free socket, and it has three individual switch to switch on each one. Here you get 1, 2, 3. Okay, so thank you for watching, friend. Keep watching. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye bye.